spill, what is on your wish list? Mana nih kira-kira yang belum?
Tadi,
when I was trying to look for Taylor Swift concert tickets. Because there was a ticket war.
They just wave and they just waited for the train and they just like took photos of the train. It was the train was the superstar. I was quite surprised karena biasanya kita yang difoto.
It's not easy doing business with Connection in Japan. It takes time and a lot of trust.
For us to talk more about the premium experience. So, may I ask, what pops in your head when we talk about a premium experience? Apa kira-kira yang muncul di benak Bapak dan Ibu sekalian jika kita membahas mengenai sesuatu yang pengalaman yang premium? Well, this is my opinion. It's not just about luxury. It's also about comfort. It's about the thoughtful little details and also experiences that feel very personal, that the kind of experience that just sticks with us, right? Nah, kalau kita bicara soal premium travel, Jepang selalu punya caranya sendiri untuk menghadirkan experience yang smooth, yang refined, yang well thought out. Jadi bukan tipe sesuatu pengalaman yang loud, yang overdone, but it is just perfectly curated. Now, kita akan ngobrol santai tentang bagaimana premium experience standard seperti ini dibangun dan dijaga dari berbagai perspektif di TS Talks on Location. So please let us welcome on stage Luna Maya dan Marian Rumantir, co-founder of TS Media. Wah, ini sekarang udah jadi hybrid rockstar babes juga ya nih. So, how's life lately, ladies?
Life is exciting. Living life, we're living life.
It's been awesome.
Nadia apa kabar?
Nadia juga baik-baik saja. So I'm always excited when I talk to you because I always get like all of the insiders, tips and tricks for going on holiday, especially to Japan. Yeah, like last time we did. But before that, we're talking about premium experience. So that was my take on premium experience. But kalau mendengar kata-kata seperti itu, what is the first thing that pops in your mind?
Exclusive kali ya.
Something that's exclusive. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Personalization mungkin ya.
I agree.
And personalization.
I agree. It's so personalized that you feel like, wah ngerti banget ya apa yang gue suka ya. So sekarang mau nanya lagi, that is the first impression of something that is premium, something that is ultimate experience. But dari pengalaman yang kalian pernah rasakan from all of your holidays, kira-kira pengalaman yang mana yang benar-benar terkesan dan really just stays with you?
Terutama di Jepang ya. Waduh banyak ya.
Nah ini dia.
Banyak banget.
We only have a few minutes, you can choose only one please.
Yes. Maybe can we say good evening and thank you for having us.
Of course.
Again to Mr. Ambassador Yokawa-san, Sato-san as well. It's always great to be here. This is I think our 4th year. Being a partner of JCB, so it's always a wonderful thing to be sharing a lot of experiences that we've had with JCB. Mungkin if we can share some experiences in Japan, especially with JCB, is a lot of the privileges that we get as a credit card holders, especially JCB Ultimate Card. Yeah, we get a lot of perks. I think last year we did a medical checkup in Osaka as part of the experience and privilege. Was it 2 years ago?
It was 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years ago. Not last year? Okay, because we went again last year.
I went again last year.
So we've been going back to Japan for a medical checkup. Maybe, what else? Yeah, we've had a lot. It's so many. There's dining experience. We went to Kobe as well. Kobe
I remember
was
that
amazing.
Story. Tapi tadi kan Marian mengatakan personalized. Jadi dari pengalamannya, can you share with all of us what kind of personalized treatment that you experienced during one of those many trips?
Okay, Mungkin I can highlight a few. First was the medical checkup, obviously, because we were a JCB customer. We were welcomed very warmly. We were guided by our local Indonesian translator at the hospital. Again, I think doing a medical checkup can be a very sensitive experience, right? So I think it's always nice to have someone guided you. The second one, maybe we'll have him on the call, is through Japan Private Tour. It was when I was trying to look for Taylor Swift concert tickets because there was a ticket war. So we were trying to get tickets to watch the concert in Tokyo because we're not local. It was very hard to get into the system. So through Japan Private Tour, which is Afra, I think we're going to talk to him soon, he managed to score us 4 tickets, VIP.
Wow.
We're like, I think, the 3rd row. So for us, that was very special. I don't think we would have gotten that kind of privilege if it wasn't for that service.
That's amazing.
And I'm sure Luna has a lot more that you can share.
That is definitely the premium experience. Jadi personalized-nya dapat banget. Kalau Luna kan tadi bilangnya eksklusif, ya kan?
Yeah.
Now, can you share gitu bagian mana nih kira-kira from one of your experience that you really felt, wow, this is like a whole nother level?
Yeah, so some of the experience yang saya alami bersama Japan Private Tour, terutama ada 2 kesempatan. One of them are 7 stars. Dan salah satu Shikishima. So to get the tickets itself itu juga butuh perjuangan karena ada kuota-kuota yang disampingkan untuk mungkin setiap agent gitu, dan terutama untuk Japan Private Tour memiliki kuota itu. Jadi makanya kenapa tadi saya bilang eksklusif, ya karena itu saya berkesempatan dan bisa mendapatkan kesempatan untuk Shikishima dan juga 7 stars. So something like that. And also maybe if I've seen some restaurant yang susah banget.
The little things. Tadi Nadia sempat mention the little things itu bisa sama Afra ya.
Benar.
Oh, okay.
Afra, kayak
Afra,
misalkan
I wanna
gitu.
eat at this restaurant.
I saw this restaurant. Di mana di Instagram kayaknya, oh my God, itu harus 6 bulan sebelum misalkan booking. But with Japan Private Tour, he managed to get the seats. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Afra Rahman is on with us, but I'm going to ask you in just a few moments because I just want to touch on what Luna said about the 7 stars in Kyushu. Ini kan juga menjadi salah satu premium experience yang ada di Japan Private Tour dan juga JCB. Nah, ngomongin soal premium experience ini nyambung banget dengan sesuatu yang baru dari JCB. Jadi baru-baru ini JCB meluncurkan JCB Ultimate Service website bersama dengan Japan Private Tour, dan ini memberikan JCB Ultimate Card Members akses ke berbagai pilihan yang tadi katakan tadi ya, hotel, dining, transportation premium, and apparently way more than that. Dan hebatnya semuanya sudah dikurasi, exclusive, and juga personalized, specialized for all of the lucky people, right?
Yes.
That is amazing. Okay, now to talk about more about the JCB Ultimate Service with Japan Private Tour, Afra Rahman, CEO of Japan Private Tour, is with us tonight. Hi.
Hello.
Di mana?
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Lady,
Where are you
I'm
now?
here from Tokyo.
Obviously. How is Tokyo now? I heard that it's been snowing. It's very cold now.
It's been snowing. It's the coldest time of the year. But luckily the trains were fine, so everyone was able to commute. But it was probably like one of the biggest snow in the last 5 years.
Okay, please stay warm. Tapi maybe for those of you wanting to experience a white Tokyo, ya, now is the perfect time to go. But Afra, kan kita lagi bahas mengenai an ultimate experience dari perspektif kamu dan pengalaman kamu juga ya, to curate all of this. What makes an experience truly ultimate, truly unforgettable?
Yes. For us, handling many clients from different countries all over the world, when you see something that is available, like for instance, I mean, there's always business class above economy class, there's always first class above business class, right? But then when you provide something that is not visible by anyone, that is the ultimate experience that we can provide to our clients. Something that is not in the menu, something that you want to provide with special access, and that's the thing that we've been trying so hard, making connections within Japan, because it's not easy doing business with connection in Japan. It takes time and a lot of trust with all our partners. But then, yes, it took us like many years to build all this relationship, but then we are happy to provide them to our clients.
Okay, so Afra, can I test you a little bit on this? I have a few questions for you.
Sure.
Okay, so let's say for travelers, they want to go to Japan. What would you recommend, an experience perhaps that not many people know, apart from Tokyo and Osaka?
I would agree with Luna. There are 3 luxury trains in Japan. Luna has tried the 7 Stars Kyushu and the Shikishima. And we're hoping for her to come and try the Mizukaze that departs from Kyoto.
Soon.
The last one, soon. But then, well, by taking those trains, it will give you a few days to experience the prefecture itself, because the train stops every 2 hours, and every 2 hours you'll visit small cities that you don't really go on your own, and then you will have access to temples, to local people, and then you'll see kids saying bye-bye at the platform that sends you off every departure. And this connection with the local is something that is priceless, and probably it would not be easy for you to get, because they have in Japan there are so many train fans. They would come to the platform voluntarily, and you can interact with them, and I think it's something that's so amazing.
Wow, Luna was just telling me her experience about the train fans. They would make their way there with a spanduk and everything.
Yeah, they just wave and they just waited for the train, and they just like took photos of the train. The train was the superstar. I was quite surprised karena biasanya kita yang difoto, tapi ini trainnya yang jadi superstarnya karena memang begitu antusiasnya warga Jepang lokal untuk melihat.
Oh, that's amazing! That's a one of a kind experience.
And also the food. Don't forget, Afra. We have amazing food on the train, dan juga off the train kita ke beberapa restoran yang mungkin bisa dibilang celebrity chef juga, and activities. The activities was also nice and beautiful. We learn Japan culture, so we learn how to apa waktu itu Afra? To paint with the sand.
With the sand, you did
Yes.
like an art piece with doing the sand and the stones.
Betul. Jadi aktivitas yang sekecil-kecil itu yang personalized, dan mungkin tadi aku bilang eksklusif, itu yang mungkin kalau tidak mengikuti atau tidak naik 7 Star atau Shikishima mungkin nggak akan ada experience itu sih. Jadi those are moments yang menurut aku special and precious juga gitu. Jadi itu yang membuat aku selalu ingin kembali ke Jepang.
Selalu ingin kembali. So, kapan akan kembali ke sana lagi? And please, Phil, what is on your wish list yang sudah dibahas dengan Afra dengan Japan Private Tour? Mana nih kira-kira yang belum?
Tadi the
Mizukaze.
train, because there's 3 different trains yang ada di Jepang. Udah 2 pernah, so the third one.
The third one.
The wish list.
And then Luna's, and then she has a next wish list, which is the Gansu, which is the floating ryokan in Hiroshima, which is really beautiful and very zen.
Oh my goodness. So, see, Afra is like a step ahead. He's like, I remember your other wish
know.
list.
Every time I call Afra, apa, what's new? I want to go outside of Tokyo, because I think Japan has a lot of other things, other like nature yang kita harus datengin, karena Japan is so beautiful. I think it's not only Tokyo, so I would love to explore more about Japan and then learn more about other prefectures juga gitu, karena setiap prefecture itu beda-beda, food beda, and especially also the onsen. I love onsen, so yes.
Onsen pas lagi winter di sana juga pas banget ya.
Perfect.
Nah, mungkin kalau kita penasaran ya, ingin mengetahui how atau salah satu bentuk ya untuk bisa mendapatkan this premium experience yang merupakan kolaborasi antara JCB dan Japan Private Tour. We already have a website which will launch this month. Kita bisa lihat tampilannya, boleh kita tayangkan dulu. Nah, this is the JCB Ultimate Service website in collaboration with Japan Private Tour. Akan kita tampilkan. This will be launched this month. Jadi harap bersabar dulu ya. Dan di website ini akan memberikan banyak sekali offering untuk the premium experience. This is just a little taste for you. Nanti ditahan dulu begitu sudah muncul, dan a lot of Luna and Marianne's recommendation pasti juga ada di sini. Itu lihat diningnya ada, terus untuk the trains yang dikatakan tadi juga ada. Jadi lengkap banget di sini. Ini bukan yang banyak ditemukan di social media mungkin. This is like probably the first ya.
Pokoknya everyone needs to have Japan Private Store, Afra's team number. But actually, because I think Sato-san was talking about corporate, right? We also had an experience as a group. We were campaigning for one of Japanese clothing brand. So we went during fall and winter. I think there was about 25 or 30 people who went, and Japan Private Tour helped us with the whole arrangement of transport. And we actually went to the cities that is outside of the mainstream cities. Yeah, we went to Sendai, all these different lakes. All the destinations that I've never heard of. So, Japan Private Tour can arrange that, all the anti-mainstream destinations, even as a big group. So it doesn't need to be one or two people. It can be a big group. Yeah, Afra, you can handle that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And besides, if I can add something, besides the experience, the trains, and all the limited access experiences, regarding accommodation, Luna and Marian, they're point geeks. They like to collect their points. So when they book hotels with Japan Private Tour, they can still pay at the hotel and get more benefits by booking through us, which is like $100 credits, early check-in, late check-out, regardless your membership tier. And then you get all these benefits if you just book through us. And then for the tours, then we can arrange it on our side. But for the hotels, we're also happy to just arrange the accommodation. And for some hotels like Aman, we give a 10% off discount for all our members. All our clients. And it's always better than the bar rate.
Amazing.
Mantap.
Tahan dulu.
Always ini ya, one step ahead ya.
Okay, now I want to talk a little bit about collaboration, because tonight also we're celebrating collaboration and partnership. You guys are bestie/business partners, ya. Saya pengen tahu nih, what makes a collaboration so strong as it is now? Is it more to do with sharing the same values? Is it about chemistry, communication? What's it for you two?
It's about all of the above.
Semuanya kayaknya.
Semuanya, yeah. I think we all, to make the collaboration work, we need to have a good value to offer to each other, right? Complementing each other, and how we can grow together and moving forward together. I think it's the same with all the partnerships that JCB has, even with us and all the other banks. I think everybody has their mutually benefits their clients and customers. So I think when we can identify that, then I think we can all find a lot of common goals and objectives, right? It's all win-win at the end.
Yes. Luna, silakan.
And pastinya trustworthy ya.
Yeah. I think trust is very important. And you guys have been in collaboration with JCB for how long? And can you share awal mulanya tuh 4 years ya?
This is our fourth year.
Awal mulanya seperti apa sih bisa kerjasama?
Awal mulanya sebenarnya we were already working with one of the banks. I think one of the banks is here. I see we've worked with maybe 3-4 banks in this room already. Obviously, because JCB works you partner with about 7, 8. Now 9? Okay.
9. Wow.
When we first met you, it was only 7. Now 8. Okay.
Growing.
So more and more, right? And then we were introduced to JCB. It was Takumi-san, the previous CEO of Indonesia. And then I think we both identify we can help each other. We have the platform and the media and the talents to help promote the credit cards benefits and perks, especially when we are premium customers. So I think it also resonates a lot with what we do personally, because traveling, dining, luxury travel is something we do anyway. So I think it resonates a lot with our lifestyle. And, I think to make it believable to clients and customers, we have to portray the real lifestyle, right? So I think that's how the collaboration started. And we go to Japan many, many times in a year. So I think it's just such a perfect collaboration.
Oke, kalau Luna sendiri, can you just share gimana sih perasaannya tuh udah berpengalaman sekian lama dengan JCB? Kira-kira ada nggak momen-momen yang kamu rasa, aduh ini thoughtful banget, aduh ternyata kita inline banget nih antara you guys, TS Media, and JCB and their partners?
Ya pastinya kolaborasi ini semuanya sangat inline ya. Karena seperti tadi Marian bilang bahwa kita resonate juga dengan value yang JCB tawarkan ke customernya dan kita juga sebagai pengguna, to be honest awalnya juga mungkin agak sedikit kayak oke, benefitnya apa ya sebagai pengguna. Ternyata pada saat kita juga sebagai customer pengguna dari JCB kita juga merasakan banyak sekali perks-nya gitu dan kemudahan-kemudahannya dan cashback-nya terutama apalagi sering ke Jepang seperti yang tadi disampaikan juga. So I think itu yang paling menarik ya kerjasama dan value yang kita tawarkan juga membuat kerjasama ini semakin erat ke depannya.
Jadi sangat menjiwai ya. Jadi emang.
Yeah.
Jadi you wanna talk about JCB, you wanna talk about premium experience to Japan.
Exactly.
You guys are like at the forefront of it.
Exactly. So yeah, I mean it's been wonderful 4th year. Mudah-mudahan kerjasamanya tidak berakhir di angka 4, tapi mungkin 4-0 atau 4-0 selamanya.
Amin,
And with the
amin.
rest of the partners here, right?
Of
We're looking
course.
forward. We look forward to collaborate with everyone.
Okay, Afra, I'm still gonna ask from you too. Can you share with us
Sure.
how does it feel like and what are the most thoughtful moments perhaps you've had all this time collaborating with JCB?
Well, I think for us, JCB has been pushing us to elevating access beyond the ordinary because without JCB, we won't be, it's a very good motivation for us to keep on providing something that is different for JCB card members. So thank you very much, JCB, for that opportunity.
Kita berikan tepuk tangan dong, ini adalah bentuk kolaborasi yang luar biasa. No wonder ya, kita semua berkumpul di sini kayak I think next year and the following years is going to be bigger and bigger and bigger.
Hopefully, that's the aim and the goal.
Yeah, because I believe a lot of
40% increase this year, yeah?
Because I'm sure everybody shares the same kind of passion as everybody has in this room. Terakhir, satu kata atau satu kalimat yang menggambarkan pengalaman kalian berpartner selama ini bersama JCB, starting with Afra. Satu kata atau satu kalimat saja.
Satu kata, satu kalimat saja. Boleh saya pakai sugoi, JCB?
Oke, JCB sugoi.
Ya, udah
Tepuk
diambil.
tangan. Udah diambil. Oke, you have to think about something else.
Privileged?
Oke, privileged.
Okay, ultimate.
Ultimate. Okay, tepuk tangan. That was RTS Talks and thank you so much to Afra Rahman yang bergabung dari Tokyo. Stay warm and also of course to Luna and Marian. Thank you so much for sharing with your experience with Japan. Dari obrolan ini kita percaya bahwa yang namanya premium experience itu bukan cuma soal apa yang kita lihat tapi lebih dari apa yang kita rasakan. It's the small details yang mungkin tidak terpikirkan oleh orang lain yang merasa bahwa we are very exclusive, very ultimate and very personalized. And since JCB originates from Japan, the experience truly comes full circle when you use it there. From the Arigato Cashback campaign with up to 10% cashback to various other sugoi benefits for shopping, dining, and travel. Semua ini dirancang untuk mendukung perjalanan yang seamless, nyaman, dan terasa premium, khususnya saat menjelajah Jepang. Thank you so much. Kita beri tepuk tangan sekali lagi untuk TS Talks kita. Kita boleh foto dulu.
Thank you Nadia. Thank you Afra.
Kapan dong kita?
Thank you very much.
See you soon Afra.
Kita TS Talk-nya from location ya. Kita boleh foto dulu mungkin
Boleh.
di sini. Because this will also be